Hello learners, welcome to Trilok Baba YouTube channel. My name is Mohithe Trilok. Today I am coming up with an interesting concept. The concept is concatenate. Basically we have this function in Excel which allows you to combine text from two different cells to one cell. We can see this example. Cell 1 contains text 1 and cell 2 contains text 2. In the output it has combined cell 1 and cell 2. Let's see with an example. We can see here we have first word which is in A column, and the B column we have a second word. Let's see how we are going to combine the first column and second column by using concatenation function. Equals to concatenate, open bracket, and select the particular text, comma, and the next text which is before, and close the bracket and enter. So the concatenation has combined the first word and second word into one cell. Let's drag this. So this is how the concatenation function works. But I want a space between this first word to second word. So how we are going to have a space between two words when you are using concatenation function? Same formula I will apply here, which is concatenate with space, equals to concatenate, which is next first word, comma, after the comma in double quotes we have to give a space, double quotes, and then comma and second word. Let's see the first word which I have given, which is F4, and then comma in the double quotes give a space, and then the next second word is G4 cell address, and close the bracket. Let's drag this formula. So now combining these two tables, we can see when we are using this concatenation function without space, this data looks like this, this output looks like this. When you are using a space, when you want space between two words, you have to give a double quote space so that it can create a space between two different words. This is how we have to use a concatenation function to combine the text from two different cells to one cell. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification on latest videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, Trilok Baba.